Because bad daycares and their directors don't want to be held responsible for their actions, we've seen time and time again that they try to cover up what happens. That's why we, as daycare injury lawyers, want parents to know the most common ways that daycares attempt to hide the truth about abuse and neglect that happens at their facility. First, and most commonly, we see daycares simply acting like it never happened. Though they are legally obligated to tell parents about incidents that require medical attention or place a child at risk of serious injury or death, they may just skip that process and hope nobody notices. They do this by choosing not to complete incident reports, not to report incidents to the state, and leaving the parent in the dark when things happen. Second, daycares try to divert the blame to an unexplained reason. When a child comes home with a bruise, the daycare may say they fell on the playground, or we don't know what happened. Everything was fine today. If you get that response, be sure to thoroughly investigate the injury, as there may be something more there. Third, daycares commonly try to blame injuries on other children. They may say it was just kids being kids and that these things happen, when in reality, we discovered that they were playing with the wrong age group or weren't properly supervised. Fourth, we've seen daycares blame the injuries on the parents. They may say things like, the child had that bruise when they got here this morning, or they must have been hurt at home, pushing the blame on the parent to avoid taking any responsibility. And lastly, they'll try to hide any evidence of the incident. Most commonly, we see this when the daycare has cameras set up, but they claim they can't access the footage before the parents and the police get involved. These scenarios, unfortunately, happen quite often, which makes it difficult for parents to call out abuse and neglect by the daycare and hold them responsible. That's why it's so important that you get an attorney who's experienced in daycare injury claims, and quickly. A daycare injury attorney will know how to anticipate these kinds of cover-ups from the daycare and can help families prove that their child was harmed by the caregivers. If you have a child who had a life-altering injury at a daycare, reach out to our team to get help. We're here to guide you and help take the stress out of the process. And most importantly, we're here to help your child get better. We offer free resources to all parents, so that even if you're not quite ready to speak to an attorney, you can have them and do your own research. For example, we offer a free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. You can download it using the link below. And if you ever need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to keep you moving forward.